Aside from the things that you can do around Sacramento, what makes the city ideal to visit is its proximity to other destinations. From Sacramento, you can take a 2.5-hour drive to Yosemite National Park, an hour-and-a-half drive to San Francisco, or take a 2-hour drive to Lake Tahoe. Which one did I pick? Continue watching. But before we proceed, do not forget to put a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. Nestled in the Sierra Nevada mountain range, Lake Tahoe stands as a shimmering jewel of natural beauty. Matatagpuan ito within the border of California and Nevada, at naging sikat din ang lugar na ito due to its majestic snow-capped peaks, crystal clear waters, and lush pine forests. Sabi nga nito Eddie, Lake Tahoe is a place he always visit due to its peaceful and calm vibe. Ito ang napili naming puntahan, kaya maaga pa lang we pack up and hit the road. Iba din talaga ang road trip sa side na to ng Amerika. Very scenic ang view namin kahit di pa kami nakakarating sa aming destinasyon. It will take us around 2 hours to reach the place. Bago makarating ng Lake Tahoe, dumaan muna kami sa isa pang mas maliit na lake nearby, ang Donner Lake. Donner Lake, situated near Truckee, California, is steeped in fascinating history, most notably associated with the ill-fated Donner Party. According to history, na-stranded sa heavy snowfall ang Donner Party's encampment noong 1846. In desperation, some resorted to cannibalism to survive eating the remains of deceased members. Imagine niyo, this tragic event happened in this beautiful view. Nowadays, Donner Lake is a picturesque destination for outdoor enthusiasts, offering opportunities for swimming, boating, fishing, and hiking along its scenic trails, captivating visitors with its natural beauty while carrying the echoes of a remarkable and tragic past. It will take 20 minutes to reach Lake Tahoe. Di ko ina-expect na sobrang laki pala nito, spanning 22 miles in length and reaching depths of 1,600 feet. Kaya pala, Lake Tahoe is considered the largest alpine lake in North America. Along the lake, there are available areas where you can park, do a picnic, and swim. Madami ding mga lakeside lodges that you can rent if you decided to stay here more than a day. It took us a little more time to reach South Lake Tahoe, crossing California and Nevada borders. When we arrived, first order of business was to look for food. Ang ganda lang din talaga ng lugar na ito. Perfect place to enjoy by the whole family. Honestly speaking, this place is best to enjoy any time of the year. Depende na lang din kung anong klaseng activity you wanted to do. During winter, madaming tourists ang pumupunta dito to do skiing. Going back to our search for food, we ended up picking a Mexican restaurant. Nag-crave daw kasi si Doc ng Mexican food.
Anytime you dress, I show you off.
After eating, we just walked around the area and went near the lake. Here, you can do a lot of different water activities. Within South Lake Tahoe, you can also do shopping, dining, and walking around this scenic place. At around 4 in the afternoon, we decided to hit the road back to our place in Sacramento. Next time, we'll be doing a day tour in San Francisco. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and put the thumbs up on this video. Until our next trip, this is Dog Dog in the City. Hasta pronto!